Hey guys, welcome to my boat. We're on the boat. We're on the boat. It's a beautiful day, but let me show you the first thing. Here is the pilot. Look how beautiful it is today. Oh, we moving too. But I really ain't gonna do this. I'm gonna act like it. Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Hey, brother.
Now we're gonna go inside. See the steps. Let's close this. We're gonna turn the lights on. Ooh, yeah, I kinda ate in here. It's for y'all. Here's a microwave. Here is the bathroom, the darn bathroom. Please watch this. I'm sorry. But to my friends and my followers, oh, I forgot. It's not really real, but this is the bathroom. You go like that. You sit. You put your behind on it. That's what you do. And then there's like a mirror, and then you pull it, and you can also do that so it can be locked. So let me do it to these other ones. And I found out that when you go down here, there's toilet paper. I didn't notice that, but I haven't used the bathroom in here yet. But this is the little underground thing, you know. But since 3 minutes, I'm just showing you a tour in 3 minutes. Here's my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
I forgot to turn the darn light off. Shoot. So, okay. And I have a pilot hat, y'all saw. And here is the step. Then you go on and look. And also, there's some drawers. Ooh! Also found these. Oop, it said my battery was low. Don't panic or anything. You didn't miss anything. And then that. And then here's a TV. Here's the under place where I go to sleep. I mean, I haven't been asleep, but that's my brother. And that's all I needed to show you guys. And here are some of the cute pink stairs. And let me show you a little bit more before time runs out.
Call you back?
No. Look how beautiful. Them other boats are nice. See ya.